Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva clone PDF editor and viewer in the browser. It's a static application directly runs in the browser. I've deployed this. You can check the full description to actually go to the demo link of the application. So here you actually select whatever PDF file that you want to edit. So after you select the PDF file, all the pages will render. So it contains two pages, so it will render out. After that, you have various controls here to actually highlight anything using this pencil tool. You can change the color of the pencil. So you can just also increase the brush size as well. You can go to the next page, do the same annotation editing, and you can also have the ability to insert shapes as well. This is your select tool to actually place anything. You can even add an image. You can also add text as well. After that, making all the modifications, click the save button and everything will be saved here. You will see that. So if you're interested in the source code of this, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. So this is the full directory structure of this editor. It's entirely built in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And after purchasing it, it's very simple to run this application. Go to the index.html file and simply run this with inside VS Code, open with live server. So now the application will open right here. You again repeat the process. You simply select the PDF file. So let me select a different PDF file. So now it contains a lot of pages here. You can just see it actually render out all the pages for you. And you can even delete a specific page as well. Basically have the delete button, clear page like this. You also have ability to add images. And then just use the select tool to actually resize the image. Just place it wherever you need to do this. So it's a very simple tool guys, similar to Canva clone. It's a PDF editor tool which allows you to add text, images, anything you can do. After that you click the save button. So before purchasing it, you can try out this tool. If you're interested, then you can purchase it. It's using PDF.js, Fabric.js, and jsPDF library. These are the three libraries that we are using for building this application. Fabric.js, as you all know, it's a JavaScript animation kind of a library. JSPDF is a PDF generation library. And we are also using PDF.js, which is a Mozilla-based PDF rendering library. So it can be used to actually annotate your PDF, highlight anything, edit your files directly using this pencil tool. So the link is given in the description.